It's wonderful to be back here. So if you're looking for encouragement and counseling, this is the best place. And I'm glad you've decided to come back to this channel. And if you're just new here, please follow this channel so you can always get weekly insights about how to have a good mental health. Today is Friday. It's the last day of the week. We are glad schools open up on Monday, the 10th of January. And at this school, MB for Africa, we decided to dedicate this first week to just admit students and all that. And Monday we'll get started with real teaching and real counseling. So as a counselor, I needed to have a room that's set up and ready for counseling. So from Monday, I've been getting some small clips. My room was empty here. So this is going to be my counseling room. It's clean, but there's no staff here yet. So what we're going to do this week, since today is Monday, we are going to just register the students and their parents. That's what we are going to do this week. Next week, we're going to start real work. I want my chair to be here. There's going to be a table here, and my clients are going to sit there. This is a window, and I'm going to have a curtain here. So that's what we have for today. I'm just going to go out, and then we continue with the parents registering and making sure everything is ready for next week. So I just look forward to have my room ready and do the counseling here. Wow, this is great. I have a table, it's right here now. So I'm just remaining with my counselor's chair and the client chair, and some other sofa client chair is gonna be here. This is my day 2. This week, like I said, we are just registering students and making sure that everyone knows what class they're going to be studying in, and everybody to know about the requirements and what they have to do, the do's and don'ts. So pretty much that's what we're going to be doing the rest of the time this week. Look forward to see this room finished up next week when the echo isn't so bad like now. I can hear the room has a lot of echo, but I look forward when we have chairs and stuff in here, when the voicing is really good. And now the room is ready. I have the sofas and everything is ready for me to work. And we're just gonna give you how we prepared for this day. The day is Monday when we're going to start actual teaching. So for me, my room is ready, and I'm gonna first of all explain to these teachers. Most of the people, they don't know what a counselor should do. And I'm gonna explain first of all. I'm a guidance counselor, and guidance is all about helping somebody make right choices, helping somebody to have insights before they fall into a problem. For example, with the students, you can guide them on what to do, which subjects to do, how to read, which ways to go through in order to perform well. And counseling is just in case somebody has been guided and they didn't do so well. You can still comfort these people and console these people. So that's all about counseling. After something has happened, and we have to correct them and help them to have a good mental health. That's all about counseling. So I do all of that. I can help a student prepare and read and perform well. But in case they don't perform well, we can still go through counseling, and that's what we do. Let's face it, most students are happy with coming back to school, but some other students are not happy with coming back to school. So as a counselor, I have to help teachers understand all those things to be able to accommodate all these students, some who want to come back to school and some who don't want to come back to school. I have prepared myself. I have prepared myself for Monday, and I'm going to help the students and the teachers, all of them, to have a good mental health, and all of them to be ready for this term. It's going to be a very busy term where a lot has to be taught and a lot has to be done, because we're going to go back in the previous things, because our memories, our students' memories, have a little bit forgotten so many things because of what they have been doing. We know we've been learning on the radio sometime, but most students have been in the villages and they don't have access to television and to radio, so teachers are going to have to go through a lot. And I'm going to be coming in to help the teachers with so many counseling ideas. And now, just like I began by preparing myself for everything for Monday to help our students, like we said, you know, students need to be prepared to be ready for classes, just like we've prepared. So I think teachers are going to do that the first week, some beginning days. So we've learned about that. We've learned about the roles of a counselor and how we prepare ourselves as counselors and as teachers. So I want to encourage everybody out there, every school out there, if you don't have a school counselor, please visit Uganda Counseling Association and find out how you can get yourself a counselor. I'm a counselor. I'm registered by Uganda Counseling Association, and I'm a mental health advocate. I like to help people have a good mental health, and pretty much on our channel we are focusing on mental health, encouragement. And if you've decided to watch this video to the very end, I just ask you to subscribe and help us with the YouTube algorithm, and also hit the bell so you can be notified every time we upload a video. Okay, we're gonna have so many videos connected to this, videos about counseling. And if you have students, you can show them these videos. They are good at helping them to have insights, to have role models, people to look up to, people they can look at and say, I want to be like this. I want to be like this teacher, Teacher Isaac. I want to be like Teacher Esther or Counselor Muwonge. So thank you so much, but don't forget to find a counselor for your school, even a family, you know. Your family, you can get a counselor for yourself. You can call me, you can hire me to be your family counselor, and the fees are very negotiable. It's not a fixed price. And remember, like we began by saying, our teachers need to be helped by counselors. Students are going through a lot of pressure, a lot of things, and it's a counselor that is gonna help to do that. All right? So thank you so much for watching this video to the very end. Counselors, this is for you. I always like to say, akatale keka. Counselors, if you are upcoming counselors, people wanting to be counselors, or you are new in a school, please work hand in hand with the teachers. They're gonna make your work easy. Don't make a war with the teachers. Just work hand in hand with them and help them know your roles as a counselor and help them know what you are supposed to do, and so many things that they have misconceptions about, you know. People have to continue learning. Like we said in most of the videos, that learning never stops. Okay, so help them to know what you are supposed to do, and follow them so they can help you. They know much about these students who are new to that place, and if you work hand in hand with them and cooperate with them, they are going to help you have peace, and they're going to make your work smoothly. We love you, and we love everybody who is following our channel and giving us thumbs up all the time. Those who are sharing, you're doing great. May God bless you so much. I'm so excited, as you could hear, my voice is so loud. When I'm excited, my voice is so loud. Thank you, and see you in the next one. Hello, our YouTube viewers. Thanks for supporting us and viewing our videos. Please continue to share and subscribe and view more of the latest. Thanks.